Hi everyone, let's talk about wine. Today, specifically Graševina, white grape variety coming from east part of Croatia, region Slavonia. Very fresh, crispy, mineral, fruit-forward style of grape variety. In international waters, also known as Welsh Riesling, Olaš Riesling, for example, Laški Riesling in Slovenia and Italico Riesling in Italy. So let's start. The wine is clear, bright, no evidence of sediment or CO2. The color is lemon yellow with green hints on the edge. Very lively, very fresh on the first sight. The nose is clean, precise, youthful, moderate intensity. Citrus notes like lemon, lemon peel, touch of grapefruit, fresh tart green apple, fresh tart yellow pear, all the way through white peach and white apricot. Tart character with touch of floral or herbaceous in the background, like grass, fennel, dandelion, chamomile, all very nice, fresh and tart. In some other stages, it can develop honey notes, tropical notes, but that's the other style of Graševina. On the palate, wine is dry, elevating acidity, very crispy, very fresh, high minerality, moderate alcohol, medium complexity, moderate complexity, medium body, balanced wine, medium length. The palate is following the nose, so it's all nice, fresh, crispy, juicy fruits with herbaceous background. In our restaurant, we serve it with white fish, vegetables, potato salad and chard. So for me and my colleagues sommeliers, it's always a pleasure to work with Graševina because it's the only grape variety in Croatia that it can be produced from a sparkling wine all the way to ice wines, sweet wines. So enjoy Graševina and enjoy life.